Hi there. This is Rizwan from Inside Point. Today I will show you how to make face effect in Photoshop. Today's video is going to be a lot more interesting and educational. Okay, let's get started. First of all, open your Adobe Photoshop and input your image. Then make duplicate layer. Ctrl+J. Then take a pen tool and select only face. Click the right mouse and go to Make Selection. Keep feather radius 2 and then press OK. Now take a quick selection tool and go to Select and Mask. Brush unwanted area. And then press OK. Go to Select menu and click Inverse. Now click Backspace or Delete from the keyboard. Input your background in Photoshop. If the background is smaller than the artboard, you can adjust it in this way. Now select the face layer and go to Adjustment layer, and click Brightness/Contrast. Reduce the brightness and increase the contrast. Now input this image and put it the right position. Check the video description if you want to download this image. Then make duplicate layer. Ctrl+J. Now select these two layers and click the right mouse, and make Merge Layers. Now change the normal mode, select Multiply option. And make Add Layer Mask. Keep foreground and background color black and white, then take a brush tool. Now smoothly brush over the image. Now take blur tool. And brush it like this on the side of the image. Now select the background layer and go to Filter menu. Click Gaussian Blur. Keep radius 3 and press OK. Now select Face Layer and go to Image, Adjustment, and click Selective Color. Then select White Color. Now again go to Image, then Adjustment, and then select Hue and Saturation. And then reduce saturation. I hope you like the video a lot. If you like the video, you can like the video and share it with your friends. Keep subscribing to our channel to get more videos like this later.